Good evening. Today we are going to start with the exercise 6.3 of chapter 6 Maths. So as you know that question 1 to 5 is very simple. We have studied about it in previous classes also. So you can try it. We will straight away start from question 6. Question 6 is find the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 9 with denominator 63. So you have to find the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 9 with denominator 63. In order to find this, first that what is the denominator of 2 upon 9? It is 9. Now just simply divide 63 by 9. It will always be 7. Then you have to multiply 2 upon 9 with 7 upon 7. When you will multiply, you will get the answer 14 upon 63. So 14 upon 63 is the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 9 with denominator 63. The first one you can try it. Then question 7. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 30. So you have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 30. So as the previous one, we have to just divide 30 by 5. We'll get the answer 6. Then multiply 3 upon 5 with 6 upon 6. We'll get the answer 18 upon 30. So 18 upon 30 is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 30. The second one you can try. Then the question 8. Question 8 is replace the box in each of the following by correct number. So we have to replace the empty box in each of the following by the correct number. So the first is 2 upon 3 is equals to 10 upon 15. This is the box here. So 2 upon 3 is equals to box upon 15. 10 is the answer. How it is? It is by like divide 15 by 3. It will be 5. Now multiply 5 by 2. So 5 2s are 10. So 10 is the missing number here. Then 7 upon 18 is equals to box upon 108.
Square.
So here 18 6 are 108. 108 should be divided by 18. We'll get 6. Then 7 6 are 42. 42 upon 108. Then question 9. Question 9 is check whether the given pairs of fractions are equivalent. First question is 3 upon 10 and 12 upon 40. So here simply you have to just cross multiplication. You have to find the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means that the first fraction's numerator should be multiplied by the denominator of the second fraction, and the numerator of the second fraction should be multiplied to the denominator of the first fraction. So 3 into 40, 3 into 40 and 12 into 10. 3 into 40 and 12 into 10, it will be 120. 3 into 40 is 120 and 12 tens are 120. As the products are equal, the fractions are equivalent. So it means that when the products come equal, then the fractions are equivalent. Now the second one is 4 upon 6 and 30 upon 20. Again cross multiplication. 6 into 30 and 4 into 20. It will be 180 and 80. 420s are 80 and 630s are 180. So here 180 and 80 are not the products equal. The products are not equal. So as the products are unequal, the fractions are not equivalent. So this was the answer. And question 10. Reduce the following fractions to simplest form. So 150 upon 350. Now see, if you want to make this calculation easier, you can just cancel the zeros in 150 and 350. 15 upon 35 is left. Then divide 15 upon 35 by 5. 5 upon 5. We'll get 3 upon 7 as the simplest form of 150 upon 350. Then 276 upon 150. So it's a difficult number here. We don't know the table. So in order to find, we have to just simply find the HCF of the smaller number with the greater number. Find the HCF of 115 and 276. When you will find the HCF of 115 and 276, you will get the HCF as 223. So now divide 276 by 23 and 115 by 23. You will get 12 upon 5. So 2 by 2 upon 5 will be the mixed fraction. Either you can write it in the improper fraction or you can write it in the mixed fraction. It is your choice. Then question 10. Question 11. Question 11 is, convert the following fractions into equivalent like fractions. Here we have to convert the following fractions into equivalent like fractions. For that, first find the denominators. First we have to find the LCM of the denominators. 8 and 14. LCM of 8 and 14 is here 56. 56 is the LCM of 8 and 14. Then it will be 56 here. Now divide 56 by 8. It will be 7. Then 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. You have to multiply 7 upon 8 into 7 upon 7. It will be 49 upon 56. Then 5 upon 14. You have to just simply divide 56 and 14. Your answer will be 4. Then 5 fours are 20. 14 fours are 56. So the equivalent like fractions are 49 upon 56 and 20 upon 56. Now the next one. 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 16. Now find the LCM of 6 and 16. It is 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 48. Now as the previous one, just simply you have to divide 48 by 6. Divide 48 by 6. You will get 6. You will get 8. So 6 8s are 48 and 5 8s are 40. So 40 upon 48. Then 7 upon 16. Divide 16 and 48. You will get 3. Now 7 upon 16 into 3 upon 3 is 21 upon 48. So the equivalent like fractions are 40 upon 48 and 21 upon 48. Thank you.